From time to time, nature reminds people how vulnerable they are in the face of the elements.
Tornadoes destroy everything in their path, tsunamis wash entire urban areas into the ocean, and earthquakes turn them into ruins.
Let's figure out what to do and, especially, what not to do during an earthquake.
1. When in the building.
You must remember that the most dangerous places in buildings during earthquakes are large glazed openings of the external walls, internal glass partitions, corner rooms, especially on the upper floors, and stairways. And the safest places, naturally, are the openings of the main internal walls and the corners formed by these walls, the areas under the beams of the building frame. Strong tables and beds can shelter you from falling objects and debris. Children should be taught in advance to hide under them during tremors in the absence of adults. Mobile phones should be protected from bumps and drops. They can give a chance to call for help to those who are trapped in a destroyed building. If possible, leave the doorways open. There is a high chance the doors may get warped, which will not allow you to leave the building later.
2. When outside.
You should move away from buildings and power lines and stay in an open area. Look around for damage to water supply and electricity networks and stay away from water leaks and broken wires.
Move away as far as you can when detecting a spill of flammable liquids, paints, and so on. 3. When in the car.
You need to stop, if possible, away from tall buildings, overpasses, and bridges, and stay in the car until the shaking stops. However, unfasten your seatbelts and be ready to leave the car in case of a risk of ground collapse.
Now for what not to do.
If you are not 100% certain that the affected buildings do not have gas, then do not use matches, lighters, or candles. Even in the case of weak tremors, when leaving the building, in no case should you use the elevators. After leaving the building, you must not stay near it, especially stand under overhanging structures, balconies, cornices, etc. It is necessary, if possible, to free those who are trapped in easily removable rubble, but do not enter the destroyed buildings unless absolutely necessary until the rescuers arrive. Such an extreme case can only be the rescue of children and the wounded, but not property. And, of course, you need to remain calm, try to calm others, and ensure the safety of children, the elderly, and those who were injured by the wreckage. Natural and man-made disasters have shown that the joint efforts of citizens and rescuers are exactly what can save the life and health of loved ones.